I don't know. I love it. And I said, I'm still not. But I understand how fun it is. Right. Did you see the letter? You didn't see the letter that came out yesterday. And the only reason I knew it, she didn't get out. Mark called me last night.
Yeah.
I'm moving on the Anthony.
All right, how is everybody?
Great.
Great? Did I hear it great?
Right here.
Excellent.
No, Sylvan.
Sylvan's not great? Really? Great. Don't even see a counselor about it, though, do you? Okay, all right. Here's the plan. It's Friday.
We're not doing
You should go. You should look into stand-up comedy. That was good, man.
it.
That was a good one.
Are you gonna write it down?
There's a couple things you need to know about me in this class. If you haven't figured it out by now, I'll explain it. As long as I have a pulse, we will be doing something. There will never be a day that we come in and we do nothing, ever. All right.
This one is the stuff.
That makes, even when there's a sub, there is something for you to do. Because I couldn't sleep well at night if I knew that we didn't do something and I didn't help further your education. I mean, that would just tear me up. I wouldn't be able to sleep. I'd probably get ulcers, and so I couldn't do that to you. All right. Here's what we are doing though. We're not moving forward. Okay. As I look at my grade book, I've plugged all the grades in. That everything has been turned into me. I graded. I've gotten the grade book. No, because when I do grades, and I think you guys understand this, but if you haven't turned an assignment in, let's say there's 4 columns in the grade book, and Marcia's turned in 2 assignments, and she's got 100% on both of them. For grade, if I don't plug in a 0 for the ones you haven't turned in, your grade shows that you have 100% in your class. And that's really not true, because if you haven't turned the other 2 assignments in, you really have about a 50%. Okay? And if I did grade sheets right now, there wouldn't be a single, that's not true. There were very few people in this room that were passing. Okay? Simply because there's not many grades in the grade book. There's about 6. So I'm not going to print off grade sheets, but I have, for most everybody, I've written down on a little piece of paper what assignments you're missing. We're going to do a quick read it kind of thing, and then you're going to work on stuff that you're missing. Does this make sense? And so we'll spend close to 40 minutes today, 40 minutes of class or so, catching up this assignment. And I will show everybody, each of you, what you're missing, and then hopefully by the end of class, I'll have the zeros filled in for the missing stuff, and I'll be able to show you your true grade. Make sense? Okay, so what we're going to read, it's kind of a 2-part thing, deals with yesterday. Again, remember what we talked about yesterday, the notes we took? When 2 air masses meet, what's that called? A, collision, B, fight, or C, front? Front. When 2 air masses meet, it's a front. Okay? So that's one piece of this, is we're reading about warm fronts, cold fronts. And then the other piece of it is kind of how our local topography can change how our weather is. I can't believe it's Friday. You know when we have like a full week of school, when we have like 5 full days, the week just flies by. Do you notice that? It does.
It was a slow week.
Really? I felt like this week just zipped by. Who done this? You guys? Oh, good. So on the side it says warm front, cold front. Sandwiched right in between those two things is a paragraph. And Don Roy said he would love to start us off as long as I didn't pick on him the rest of the day. Right, Don Roy?
I'm trying to do something, man.
I'll give you some time to do that other something. I promise.
And where's that?
Right here. Kind of sandwiched in between those two pictures.
Warm front or cold front marks the vertical boundary between two unlike air masses. A warm front indicates warm air is advancing into a region over the cold air, pushing the cold air out of the region. A cold front indicates that cold air is advancing into a region, pushing warm air up and out of the way. The vertical slope of a cold front is more than twice as steep as that of a warm front, causing weather to be more severe when a cold front moves through an area.
Good. Continental climate. Chase. Mid-continental locations. You got this. It's the easiest paragraph on the page. Or I can wait for a harder paragraph. Okay, go. You got this. Your voice hurts? How do you hurt your voice? Marcia, does your voice hurt?
No,
Has your voice ever hurt?
no.
Because you talk all the time.
My
Yeah.
voice hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Go,
because everyone
Marcia.
talks to me, so I talk.
Mid-continental locations. I'll give you the paragraph then.
Mid-continental locations are that one?
Yeah.
Characterized by North Daily annual temperatures. I don't like this. In Nebraska, for example, Indian record were mostly big, was often followed by Arctic cold, and the temperature might vary by as much as 70 degrees. Marine areas, did I say it? Marine areas which are directly influenced by moderately, like it,
Exactly.
effects of large bodies of water, exhibit less extreme fluctuations.
Fluctuations. Good job.